What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear wiper arm on this 2010 Honda Fit. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. To remove the rear wiper arm, we need to take this little trim piece off. Just slide that out, just like that. I'm going to remove this nut. I'm going to use a 10mm socket and a ratchet. I'm going to hold the arm while I loosen this up. Take that off. Just grab the arm, just rock it back and forth. Should be able to break it free. It's a good idea to mark this before you take it off. You can mark the windshield or just take note of where it was before. To reinstall this wiper arm, you want to line this up just like that. Take this nut, get this started. Take a 10mm socket and a ratchet. Then I'm going to hold the arm and just snug this up, not too tight. Make sure it's not too loose. Take this cover and just slide it over.
Thanks for watching. If you want the parts to do it yourself, check out 1aauto.com, the place for DIY auto repair.